This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account details and ID so the agent can verify you immediately. Visit a Globe store or authorized kiosk and request a same-number SIM replacement. State whether you need a physical SIM or eSIM. Once done, blacklist the lost SIM if possible, and make sure any pending payments are settled. Carriers often block replacements with unpaid balances. Keep transaction receipts and reference number. These speeds up activation and avoids at the counter. Present your ID and confirm personal details. Globe staff will verify account ownership and may use biometric checks, so cooperate. The agent will either insert and provision the new SIM or scan an eSIM QR code. Activation takes minutes but can require up to an hour. During that gap, keep your phone in airplane mode until instructed. Once active, test calls, SMS, and data, and ensure your number appears correctly in device settings before leaving. Finish by checking the SIM exit on your receipt matches the SIM in your phone and that the mobile number shows as active. Restore contacts and messages from your backup and reauthorize apps that use SMS for verification. Change 2FA back as needed. If something fails, no signal, missing SMS, or wrong number, first reboot the phone and reset the SIM, then call Globe support with your transaction reference. If unresolved, return to the store and insist on escalation. Stay calm but persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.